Abolish nominated members of parliament, kama MPs, nominated MCAs, nominated senators. We are going to abolish the Senate in its entirety. We are going to abolish the position of women rep. Because we feel like, we don't feel like Kenya is overrepresented. The elections 2027, hapo. Ukipigia rais, ukipigia governor, unapigia referendum. So we don't want to waste taxpayers' money. When we are doing the elections, that's when we are abolishing the 47 counties. We are going to have 8 governors, like the former provinces. 8, no senators. We do not need senators. We will not have the counties after the elections. We'll only have 8 counties. Remember these words. We will not have 47 counties in 2028. We'll have 8 governors, no senators, no women reps, no nominated members of parliament. You can take that to the bank.